Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy open grid scarf. So let's get started. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Subscribe and click the notification bell to receive an email when I post new videos. To make this crazy easy scarf, I'm working with bulky yarn, but you could use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a chain of 60. Okay, I worked a chain of 60. And now I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And now I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 7. Skip the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th stitch, make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So that's the first loop. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat across the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Like that. You're going to repeat that across the row. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's my last chain 5. Now make sure that your work is not twisted, and in that first chain 7, slip stitch to join in the 3rd stitch. And that's round number 1. Now I made 3 rounds in this scarf, so I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet in the next double crochet. You're going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last chain 5. Now you're going to find that first chain 7, slip stitch to join in the 3rd stitch. And that's row 2. And you're going to repeat that last row of chain 7, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 5, double crochet in the next. Repeat that all the way around, slip stitch to join, and fasten off. And that's how easy it is to crochet the scarf. And I attached a brooch. I love brooches, but I never wear them, so I find uses for them on scarves or hats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.